The road to precision. Chang'an, the world's factory floor. Welcome to the mold capital. Endless assholes of potential. Blocks of raw steel waiting to become something new. Coolant and carbide. The dance begins. Soft plastic PEK shavings fall like snow. Electric discharge, coming with sparks. In the dark, precision is forged. Slow, steady, the wire cuts. Gear by gear. The heavy metal heart of the industry. Where innovation lives. Until the next shift. Goodbye, Chang'an.